This series of videos demonstrates the step-by-step exercises which are included in each Parabuild installation, including the free trial version. In this exercise, we'll draw a reference grid and establish some levels. Click on the grid icon to open the Draw Grid dialog, and here we can set the number and distance between the grid lines in both the X and Y directions. In this case, we'll place 12 grid lines on the X-axis at 4.5 meter centers, and we'll do the same on the Y-axis. Click OK and the reference grid will be drawn. Switch back to the 3D view to view the grid. Now we'll set the levels. Open the context modeler and click on the Levels button. Then click on the Add New Level button and enter a name for the level. In this case, we'll call it Attic Floor. Then click OK. Enter a height for the new level, which will set at 3.3 meters. This again will be measured from the WCS. To add additional levels, click again on the Add New Level button and repeat the procedure. We'll call the next level Eaves with a height of 6 meters, and the last level we'll call Apex with a height of 9.5 meters. Then click OK. We now have a skeleton that can be used to create a new structure. There are other exercises with step-by-step instruction with each Parabuild installation, and if you'd like to try these yourself, there's a free Parabuild trial available on our website.